Tackling that nagging collections account on your Experian report might seem daunting, but it's a crucial step towards a healthier credit score. First things first, let's understand what a collection account means on your Experian report. It signifies a debt that was previously unpaid and has been turned over to a third-party collection agency while it negatively impacts your score. It's not the end of the road. Your first actionable step is to verify the debt. Obtain a copy of your Experian credit report. You can get a free report annually from annualcreditreport.com. Carefully review the collection account details to ensure accuracy. Check the original creditor, the amount owed, and the date of the delinquency. Next, we need to communicate with the collection agency. Send them a debt validation letter. This formally requests proof that they actually own the debt and that the amount is correct. This step is essential before you even think about paying. Once the debt is validated, you have options for payment. You can choose to pay the full amount or negotiate a settlement for a lesser amount. Negotiating a pay-for-delete is also a powerful strategy. This means you pay, and in exchange, the collection agency agrees to remove the account entirely from your credit report. Always get any agreement in writing before making a payment. When you're ready to pay, whether it's the full amount or a negotiated settlement, be sure to use the agreed-upon method. If you're settling, get a receipt or written confirmation stating that the payment in full or settlement satisfies the debt. Keep all documentation of your payment and the agreement. After payment, monitor your Experian report. It may take some time for the collection agency to update your report if you've successfully negotiated a pay-for-delete. Ensure the collection account is completely removed. If you paid without a deletion agreement, the account will be updated to show as paid, which is still a positive step forward, though the original delinquency will remain. Consistently paying off collections and managing your credit responsibly over time will gradually improve your Experian score. Remember, rebuilding credit is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient and stay disciplined with your financial habits.